Misha, Misha, Misha. Boo just did not chew up. Boo made very big shreds and Misha has to redo his work. It's not up to snuff. Boo, you need to be better at chewing stuff up. You need to be better at chewing stuff up. You make these big choo-choos, and now you're on Misha's cage. You make these big choo-choos, and then Misha feels like he has to go in and shred your wood. You need to do better. Sorry, Misha's in your cage for now, finishing your work. I give you a stack of wood, you're supposed to chew it up. You were done with that stack by like 3 today. And it's because you didn't chew it up small enough. If you had been Misha, you would have chewed stuff up very small, very much the same size. You need to get better with mulching. You need to be a better mulch maker, little boy. You need to be a better mulch maker. You need to be better at shredding. That way Misha would have to come in. I mean, Misha doesn't even like to look at badly done work. You need to be more thorough. You need to be more thorough and a little bit slower and more deliberate. I gave you a big stack of wood. Boo. Misha bird. This is just from actually 2 days. Yes, but today I really gave Boo a full stack of wood. Yesterday I just gave Boo half of a stack of wood. Because, see, I put the toy on that kebab. Now Boo suddenly wants to go back into his cage because Misha's in his cage. No, you can't go back into your cage because Misha's in it. You're out anyway. You wanted to come out. And I got Misha out, and Misha wanted to go right to your cage. Okay, Misha, and I'm gonna take Boo upstairs to see Chris. Okay, keep chewing. I know Boo did a terrible job, and you just have to redo his work. Misha's such a hard worker. See, Misha chewed up a 2x4 in here. That's what Misha worked on. You can see he had his lunch. He ate his 2x4. He shredded up into very tiny pieces that are the identical size. You need to be more like Misha. Boo. Is cute. What? What do you want? You want stuff? Okay, he's gonna grab my phone. Okay.